Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you a castor oil mask for skin whitening. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Egg and castor oil mask. Castor oil for face helps in moisturizing the skin from the inside and retaining the hydration for a longer period. Egg on the other hand promotes the growth of collagen and elastin in the skin layers to keep it tight and firm. A combination of these two magical ingredients can only spell good news for your skin. So try this amazingly effective skin mask today. Ingredients: 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon castor oil. Method: in a bowl, take an egg yolk and to it add 1 tablespoon castor oil and mix properly. Apply the mask on the face and neck area, gently massaging for 5 to 10 minutes and then let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Repeat the process twice a week to know how is castor oil good for skin. I will give you the link of ingredients in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.